Okay, it's time to see what server we're gonna join. Psycho PvP? Not right now. Hypixel? Nah, not right now. I'm not into Sky Wars mood. Um, got PvP? Maybe not. OP Archery? Yeah, nah, nah. 2P2T? They already got a loading. OP Crafts? Nah. Um, hmm, hmm, Skyball Club? Nah. Quacktopia? Maybe? Nah. I'm in the mood. Oregon? Uh, Lineage PvP? Savage PvP, maybe? No. A kitty cat. It's a kitty cat. No, 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 no way. No way. No way. We gotta try this out. No, now! Quick. Man, I just wanted to try out. I just wanted to try out a kitty cat server. Wow. But anyway, guys, thank you for giving me support and thank you. Just letting you know that if you're asking, put the IP down below in the description. Sorry, I won't do that because I don't really want to put it up in the description, but I might will put it in the description, probably not, but quit my minds. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one.